First of all, you're the type of one.
Come on, let's go.
Walk down the street, every guy wanna jump on you. It's your seduction that makes sure that we stay in line. Sexual corruption.
Give your passports. Come on, please. Tell me something. I want to give you. How many of you sometimes get stressed? By show of hands. Sometimes you get stressed. Fantastic. You want me to give you some tips on stress management later? Because I'm actually paid to do that. Organizations pay me a lot of money to speak to their staff about that. So I sense that some of you actually look stressed. So I want to give you 5 minutes of stress management. But the first tip also is have fun. Yes or yes? Yes. So some of you are now doing the strategic analysis. What is this? What is the opportunity cost of dancing? Now this is what kills intellectuals with so much stress. So tell your neighbor that it's okay to have some fun. Okay, let's go. DJ, give me a try. Like this time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My tips to thank people and tell them thank you for shaking. My tips and tell them thanks for shaking. Alright. Our life has different sections or patterns. So we have the spiritual, we have the emotional, we have the physical, we have the mental. What is the other one? Or psychological, also how you manage your thoughts. So one of the ways to manage stress, for example, is if you're working, what mode are you in? What mode are you in when you're working? On your laptop? Hello? Which mode are you in? Spiritual, mental, emotional, psychological, which one are you in? Mental, thank you very much. So when you're working, it helps now to engage the emotional. For example, you can get up, go make a phone call to your loved one. That is if you have one. If you don't have a loved one, when I say loved one, it does not mean girlfriend or boyfriend or whoever it is. It could be your mom, your father, or your sister. Now you're engaging the emotional side. Or it might mean that in between, during the course of the day, whether early morning or in the evening, you could pray. What muscle are we engaging there if you're praying? The spiritual. Like this morning I went to church, so I was engaging the spiritual. Now I'm in the mental. A moment ago I was in the physical. So it's hard for me to be stressed. Oftentimes what kills us is you find people, do you know people who come in at work at 6? They work all the way up to 8. Even the lunch break is just about 20 minutes. Even when you're over lunch, they are still analyzing the company data. I say, hey, we are having lunch. Could we still have a life somehow? Do you know such people? Hello? Do you know such people? And they are usually stressed. There are people who are 30 in actual age, but when you look at them, you think they are 45. So the second tip, which is very easy, is please take lots of water. Take lots of water. Apparently, I've been told and informed that over 70% of the body mass is water. Therefore, the number one thing you need in your system is water. And it's actually advisable that you should take half the weight